Hi everyone! Today we are going to make this adorable topping pop gummy. Look at this! This colorful and super cute package! What really stands out are these cute little candies sprinkled around the gummies, right? I'm so excited! Let's open it up right away! Inside, we've got a cute spoon with a heart on it. I try to make different shapes, gummy powder, and colorful topping mints. Let's get started! First, prepare a mug. Add the gummy powder and some water using the tray as a measuring cup. Then mix it really well. It smells like peach, and it's a super cute pink color. Now we microwave it for 30 seconds. I'm a little nervous. It's done! Oh, it's hot. Now we pour the warm gummy mixture into the tray. It starts setting quickly, so we've got to be fast. Wow, such a beautiful pink! It poured in really nicely. Let's keep going and fill them all. That sweet peach scent is filling the air. This wave-shaped mold might be a bit tricky. It's a delicate job, but I managed to fill it somehow. Oops, it might be starting to harden. Please hang in there, Gummy. I'm forcing it in. How's that? Is it okay? Looks good, I think. Well, let's call it good enough. Now we chill it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I can't wait! It's done! Look at this! They've set really well and look nice and jiggly. It's ready! Use a toothpick to take them out carefully so they don't break. I'm a little nervous. Wow! They've come out perfectly! Success! Let's keep popping them out of the mold. Carefully, carefully. Looks so good, right? There are a few that didn't turn out so great, but we are going to add mints anyway. So it's totally fine. Looking good! Now for the wave-shaped gummy. Carefully. This was the one I was most excited about. Look! It turned out great! So jiggly! Looks delicious! Alright, let's add the colorful topping mints. The gummies are a bit sticky, so mints stick really well. Let's coat both sides. You don't want to leave a single mint out, right? It's a bit tricky. These colors are so cute together. It's so satisfying. I managed to get the mints on all of them. We made super cute gummies so easily. Huge success! Now, let's taste one. Itadakimasu. Yummy! The sweet and tangy peach flavor pairs perfectly with the sweetness of the mints, and the crunchy texture of the mints adds a nice touch. This is highly recommended. What did you think? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!